Hi, I'm Adam Clark, and this is my current event video, and it is actually about something very important that pertains to the very first thing we covered in this class, our first lab, about soil. So soil degradation is my topic. Now, soil degradation is a very serious problem, and it is one that has obviously led to some catastrophic events right here in this country, such as the Dust Bowl in the 1920s. But fortunately, there are 3 easy steps that we can take today that will help to mitigate the effects of harmful farming practices and prevent soil degradation. Referencing this book, Growing a Revolution, by David R. Montgomery, as well as an article from the Seattle Times, I'm going to outline the 3 steps that we can take to help to prevent soil degradation right now and in the future. So the first step, this step is absolutely crucial, is we have to stop plowing. We cannot use heavy machinery any longer. Heavy machinery is bad for the soil. It can strip topsoil, lead to erosion. It will kill small organisms that live in the soil. It will release carbon from the soil, which is bad for the atmosphere. And it will also raise the temperature of the soil, which is bad for crops and bad for us. Now, additionally, if we were able to stop farming, that would also cut down on the man hours needed and the pollution released by the fossil fuels burned from all this heavy machinery. So that's step 1. It's very important, and it is a big switch. But if we can prevent it, and if we can start going over fields in a single pass instead of plowing our fields, and that's what we have to stop doing, is plowing our fields, then that's the first major step in preventing soil degradation. Now, step 2 is a little bit simpler, and a lot of farmers already do it. Cover crops. Cover crops are pretty simply just something that you grow in the off-season to prevent weeds from growing and to make sure that your soil doesn't just sit there and get degraded, get dried out. Additionally, when it comes time to plant, you just kill all your cover crops, mow them down, and that allows them to decay into the soil and they give all of their nutrients back, which again is something that helps to prevent topsoil stripping and prevent soil erosion. So step 2 is pretty simple. A lot of farmers already do it, and it's a good one to remember. Step 3 is also vital. A lot of farmers do it, but not enough farmers do it. And that one is crop rotation. We absolutely have got to rotate our crops. Now, when we rotate our crops, that prevents insects that are attracted to one type of crop from settling in an area, which prevents the need for pesticides. Now, that's very important. It's important for us because pesticides are harmful to humans, although we do use them rather safely, but they are also harmful to pollinators, which are very important for crops. They are also harmful to good insects, and they are also harmful to birds and other non-targeted species. Now, that's just no good. When we're targeting other things that don't need to be killed, they're dying as a result of all of this. But if we were able to rotate our crops, it's good for them. So if we do all these 3 steps together, and we have to do these 3 steps all together, we are able to prevent soil degradation today and in the future. Thank you.